Paramount Plus versus Netflix, which should you choose? Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we're diving into a comprehensive comparison between two of the biggest names in the streaming entertainment, which is Paramount Plus and Netflix. And to create an account to any of these platforms, you could also use the link in the description, in which by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Paramount Plus, it is a subscription-based streaming service owned and operated by Viacom CBS, in which Paramount Plus offers a wide range of on-demand content including TV shows, movies, live sports, news, and original programming. And also Paramount Plus also offers live streaming of CBS broadcast network, allowing subscribers to watch their favorite CBS show as they air. On the other hand, Netflix is a global subscription-based streaming service that offers a wide range of variety of movies, TV shows, documentaries, and original content across multiple genres and languages. So Netflix offers vast library includes thousands of titles ranging from classic films and popular TV series to exclusive original productions. And Netflix also offers personalized recommendations and curated content based on users' viewing history, preferences, and ratings. And now that we know the overview of both platforms, we can now proceed by knowing other details of Paramount Plus and Netflix. So let's start by knowing the pricing comparison of both platforms. And as you can see on this table in terms of subscription aspect, Paramount Plus starts at $4.99 per month with ads and $9.99 per month with ad-free, while Netflix starts at $8.99 per month for basic plan, while $13.99 per month for standard plan, and $17.99 for premium plan. And now in terms of free trial, Paramount Plus offer 7-day free trial, while Netflix offer 30-day free trial. And also in terms of content library aspect, Paramount Plus includes Paramount Pictures CBS, Viacom CBS, and Showtime content, while Netflix offers originals, movies, TV shows, documentaries, and many more. And also in terms of number of devices, Paramount Plus offers up to 3 devices simultaneously, while Netflix offers 1 device per basic, while 2 devices per standard, and 4 devices for premium plan. Now moving on to content comparison, in terms of TV shows, Paramount Plus offers classic and current CBS shows, originals, and exclusives, while Netflix offers extensive library of TV shows from various networks, originals, and exclusives. And in terms of movies, Paramount Plus has a selection of movies including Paramount Pictures titles, while Netflix offers a wide range of movies from various genres including originals and exclusive. While for the original, Paramount Plus offers original series and movies produced exclusively for Paramount Plus, while Netflix offers extensive lineup of original content across genres including series, films, and documentaries. And aside from that, in terms of documentaries, Paramount Plus has limited selection of documentaries, while Netflix has a diverse collection of documentaries covering various topics. And also in terms of kids and family content type, Paramount Plus has limited selection of kids content, while Netflix has extensive library of kids shows, movies, and family-friendly content. And now in terms of reality TV, Paramount Plus has some reality TV shows, while Netflix offers wide range of reality TV series and competitions. Moving on to features comparison, in terms of video quality, Paramount Plus offers HD streaming available, while Netflix offers HD and Ultra HD streaming. And in terms of offline viewing, Paramount Plus also offers offline viewing with ad-free subscription, while Netflix also offers offline viewing depending on the content. In terms of simultaneous streams, Paramount Plus offers up to 3 simultaneous streams, while Netflix offers 1 stream for basic, 2 streams for standard, and 4 streams for premium plan. And now in terms of parental controls, Paramount Plus has limited parental controls including content filters and rating restrictions. On the other hand, Netflix has extensive parental controls including content restrictions, viewing history, and PIN protection. And also in terms of subtitles and audio features, Paramount Plus has subtitles available in multiple languages but limited audio options, while Netflix has subtitles and dubbing available in multiple languages, extensive audio options including Dolby Atmos and Dolby Digital Plus. Now in terms of recommendations feature, Paramount Plus has limited personalized recommendations, while Netflix has advanced personalized recommendations based on viewing history and preferences. Also in terms of exclusive features, Paramount Plus offers live TV streaming in select markets, access in CBS live programming and sports event, while Netflix offers exclusive original content, interactive features, and interactive viewing experiences. Now moving on to pros and cons of using both platforms starting to Paramount Plus. Its pros is that it has extensive library of classic and current CBS shows, including exclusive access to CBS live programming. Also, it has growing collection of original content including series and movies produced exclusively for Paramount Plus. Also, it offers option for ad-free viewing with higher tier subscription, and also offers live TV streaming in select markets, providing access to sports events and other live programming, with affordable pricing plans with a lower starting price compared to Netflix. While the cons of using Paramount Plus is that it has limited international availability compared to Netflix, which may restrict access for users outside supported regions. It also has relatively small library of content compared to Netflix, especially in terms of originals and third-party titles, and also has limited availability of some features like offline viewing, depending on the subscription plan. And it has less robust parental controls and recommendation algorithms compared to Netflix, with limited selection of certain genres like anime and reality TV shows. Now moving on to pros and cons of using Netflix. Starting to its pros, Netflix offers extensive and diverse library of TV shows, movies, documentaries, and original content from various genres and languages. And it has advanced recommendation algorithms that provide personalized suggestions based on viewing history and preferences. And it offers wide availability of features like offline viewing, multiple profiles, and extensive parental controls. It also offers multiple subscription tiers with varying features and streaming quality options. It also offers global availability, allowing users from various regions to access the platform's content. However, the cons of using Netflix is that it has higher starting price compared to Paramount Plus, especially for premium plans with Ultra HD streaming. Also, it constantly changing library with titles rotating in and out, which may lead to occasional frustration for users. It also offers limited access to some content due to regional licensing restrictions, resulting in variations in available titles based on location, and it has relatively less emphasis on live TV programming and sports events compared to Paramount Plus. And for competition from other streaming services may result in exclusively deals and potential loss of popular titles. But the question is, who should choose Paramount Plus? Well, Paramount Plus is an ideal choice for individuals who are avid fans of CBS show, as well as those who enjoy classic television series. If you're someone who appreciates access to live TV streaming, particularly for sports event and CBS programming, Paramount Plus offers a compelling option. Additionally, if you prefer a more budget-friendly streaming service with the option for ad-supported viewing, Paramount Plus provides affordable plans that cater to various budget levels. Furthermore, if you're interested in exploring a growing collection of original content exclusive to Paramount Plus, including series and movies produced specifically for the platform, then this streaming service could be the right fit for you. But what about Netflix? Who should choose Netflix? Well, Netflix appeals to a wide range of viewers, making it suitable for those seeking a vast and diverse library of content across different genres, languages, and formats. And if you prioritize personalized recommendations and enjoy discovering new titles tailored to your taste, Netflix's advanced recommendation algorithms can enhance your viewing experience. Moreover, if you value the flexibility of multiple subscription tiers offering varying features and streaming quality options, Netflix provides a range of plans to accommodate different preferences and budgets. Additionally, if you prefer a streaming service with global availability, allowing you to access its extensive content library from virtually anywhere in the world, then Netflix is the ideal choice for you. And now, in conclusion, the choice between Paramount Plus and Netflix ultimately depends on individual preferences, viewing habits, and priorities. Paramount Plus caters well to fans of CBS shows, offering access to classic series, live TV streaming, and growing collection of original content at affordable prices. On the other hand, Netflix provides a vast and diverse library of content from various genres and languages, along with advanced recommendation algorithms and flexible subscription plans to suit different needs. So whether one opt for Paramount Plus or Netflix, both streaming services offers unique strengths and appeal to a wide range of audiences, ensuring there's something for everyone to enjoy in the ever-expanding world of streaming entertainment. And ultimately, the decision rests on which features, content offerings, and viewing experiences resonate most with each individual viewer. So that is just a comparison review between Paramount Plus and Netflix. Thank you.